أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
أتل ما أوحي إليك من الكتاب وأقم الصلاة إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر ولذكر الله أكبر والله يعلم ما تصنعون.
O Prophet, recite the book that has been revealed to you and establish prayer. Surely, prayer forbids indecency and evil, and Allah's remembrance is of even greater merit. Allah knows all that you do.
ولا تجادلوا أهل الكتاب إلا بالتي هي أحسن إلا الذين ظلموا منهم وقولوا آمنا بالذي أنزل إلينا وأنزل إليكم وإلهنا وإلهكم واحد ونحن له مسلمون.
Argue not with the people of the book except in the fairest manner, unless it be those of them that are utterly unjust. Say to them, we believe in what was revealed to us and what was revealed to you. One is our God and your God, and we are those who submit ourselves to Him.
وكذلك أنزلنا إليك الكتاب فالذين آتيناهم الكتاب يؤمنون به ومن هؤلاء من يؤمن به وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الكافرون.
O Prophet, thus have we bestowed the book on you. So those on whom we had bestowed the book before believe in it. And of these Arabs too, a good many believe in it. It is none but the utter unbelievers who deny our signs.
وما كنت تتلو من قبله من كتاب ولا تخطه بيمينك إذا لارتاب المبطلون.
O Prophet, you did not recite any book before, nor did you write it down with your hand, for then the votaries of falsehood would have had a cause for doubt.
بل هو آيات بينات في صدور الذين أوتوا العلم وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الظالمون.
But it is a set of clear signs in the hearts of those who've been endowed with knowledge. None except the utterly unjust will deny our signs.
وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه قل إنما الآيات عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
They say, why were signs from his Lord not sent down upon him? Say, the signs are only with Allah. As for me, I am no more than a plain warner.
أولم يكفهم أنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب يتلى عليهم إن في ذلك لرحمة وذكرى لقوم يؤمنون.
Does it not suffice for them as a sign that we reveal to you the book that is recited to them? Surely there's mercy and good counsel in it for those who believe.
قل كفى بالله بيني وبينكم شهيدا يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض والذين آمنوا بالباطل وكفروا بالله أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Say, O Prophet, Allah suffices as a witness between me and you. He knows whatever is in the heavens and the earth. As for those who believe in falsehood and are engaged in infidelity with Allah, it is they who will be the losers.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولولا أجل مسمى لجاءهم العذاب وليأتينهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
They ask you to hasten in bringing chastisement upon them. Had there not been an appointed term for it, the chastisement would have already visited them. In fact, it will come down upon them all of a sudden at its appointed time, while they will not be aware of it.
يستعجلونك بالعذاب وإن جهنم لمحيطة بالكافرين.
They ask you to hasten the chastisement upon them, although hell encompasses the unbelievers.
يوم يغشاهم العذاب من فوقهم ومن تحت أرجلهم ويقول ذوقوا ما كنتم تعملون.
They will become aware of it the day when the chastisement will overwhelm them from above and from under their feet, and he will say to them, taste now the consequence of the deeds that you used to commit.
يا عبادي الذين آمنوا إن أرضي واسعة فإياي فاعبدون.
O my servants who believe, verily my earth is vast, so serve me alone.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون.
Every being shall taste death, then it is to us that you shall be sent back.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنبوئنهم من الجنة غرفا تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نعم أجر العاملين.
We shall house those who believed and acted righteously in the lofty mansions of paradise, beneath which rivers flow. There they shall remain forever. How excellent a reward it is for those who acted in obedience to Allah.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Who remain steadfast and put their trust in their Lord.
وكأين من دابة لا تحمل رزقها الله يرزقها وإياكم وهو السميع العليم.
How many an animal there is that does not carry about its sustenance. Allah provides sustenance to them and to you. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَسَخَّرَ الشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
If you were to ask them, who created the heavens and the earth, and who has kept the sun and the moon in subjection, they will certainly say, Allah. How come then they are being deluded from the truth?
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah enlarges the sustenance of any of His servants whom He will, and straightens the sustenance of whom He will. Surely Allah has knowledge of everything.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّن نَّزَّلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَحْيَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ مِن بَعْدِ مَوْتِهَا لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
If you were to ask them, who sent down water from the sky, and therewith revived the earth after its death, they will certainly say, Allah. Say, to Allah alone be praise and thanks, but most people do not understand.
وَمَا هَذِهِ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَهْوٌ وَلَعِبٌ وَإِنَّ الدَّارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ.
The present life is nothing but sport and amusement. The true life is in the abode of the hereafter, if only they knew.
فَإِذَا رَكِبُوا فِي الْفُلْكِ دَعَوُا اللَّهَ مُخْلِصِينَ لَهُ الدِّينَ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاهُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ إِذَا هُمْ يُشْرِكُونَ.
When they embark in the ships, they call upon Allah, consecrating their faith to Him. But when He rescues them and brings them to land, they suddenly begin to associate others with Allah in His divinity.
لِيَكْفُرُوا بِمَا آتَيْنَاهُمْ وَلِيَتَمَتَّعُوا فَسَوْفَ يَعْلَمُونَ.
That they may be ungrateful for the rescue that we granted them, and that they may revel in the pleasures of the present life. Soon they shall come to know.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا جَعَلْنَا حَرَمًا آمِنًا وَيُتَخَطَّفُ النَّاسُ مِنْ حَوْلِهِمْ أَفَبِالْبَاطِلِ يُؤْمِنُونَ وَبِنِعْمَةِ اللَّهِ يَكْفُرُونَ.
Do they not see that we have given them a sanctuary of safety, whereas people around them are being snatched away? So do they believe in falsehood and ungratefully deny Allah's bounties.
وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنِ افْتَرَى عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا أَوْ كَذَّبَ بِالْحَقِّ لَمَّا جَاءَهُ أَلَيْسَ فِي جَهَنَّمَ مَثْوًى لِلْكَافِرِينَ.
Who can be more unjust than he who foists a lie on Allah or gives the lie to the truth after it has come to him? Is hell not the resort of the unbelievers?
وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.
As for those who strive in our cause, we shall surely guide them to our ways. Indeed, Allah is with those who do good.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
غلبت الروم.
The Romans have been defeated.
في أدنى الأرض وهم من بعد غلبهم سيغلبون.
In the neighboring land, but after their defeat, they shall gain victory in a few years.
في بضع سنين لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد ويومئذ يفرح المؤمنون.
All power belongs to Allah, both before and after. On that day will the believers rejoice.
بنصر الله ينصر من يشاء وهو العزيز الرحيم.
At the victory granted by Allah, He grants victory to whomsoever He pleases. He is the most mighty, the most compassionate.
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
This is Allah's promise, and He does not go back on His promise. But most people do not know.
يعلمون ظاهرا من الحياة الدنيا وهم عن الآخرة هم غافلون.
People simply know the outward aspect of the worldly life, but are utterly heedless of the hereafter.
أولم يتفكروا في أنفسهم ما خلق الله السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وأجل مسمى وإن كثيرا من الناس بلقاء ربهم لكافرون.
Do they not reflect on themselves? Allah created the heavens and the earth, and whatever lies between them in truth, and for an appointed term. Yet many people deny that they will meet their Lord.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم كانوا أشد منهم قوة وأثاروا الأرض وعمروها أكثر مما عمروها وجاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات فما كان الله ليظلمهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
Have they not traveled through the earth, that they may observe what was the end of their predecessors, who were far mightier and tilled the land and built upon it more than these have ever built? And Allah's messengers came to them with clear signs. It was not Allah who wronged them, but it is they who wronged themselves.
ثم كان عاقبة الذين أساءوا السوء أن كذبوا بآيات الله وكانوا بها يستهزئون.
Evil was the end of those evildoers, for they gave the lie to Allah's signs and scoffed at them.
الله يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده ثم إليه ترجعون.
Allah creates in the first instance and will later repeat it. Thereafter, it is to Him that you shall be sent back.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يبلس المجرمون.
On that day, when the hour will come to pass, the criminals shall be dumbfounded.
ولم يكن لهم من شركائهم شفعاء وكانوا بشركائهم كافرين.
None whom they had associated with Allah in His divinity will intercede on their behalf. Rather, they will disown those whom they had set up as Allah's associates in His divinity.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يتفرقون.
On that day when the hour will come to pass, people will be split into groups.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فهم في روضة يحبرون.
Then those who believed and acted righteously will be placed in a garden and will be happy and jubilant.
وأما الذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا ولقاء الآخرة فأولئك في العذاب محضرون.
As for those who disbelieved and gave the lie to our signs and to the encounter of the hereafter, they will be arraigned for chastisement.
فسبحان الله حين تمسون وحين تصبحون.
So glorify Allah in the evening and the morning.
وله الحمد في السماوات والأرض وعشيا وحين تظهرون.
His is all praise in the heavens and in the earth, and glorify Him in the afternoon and when the sun begins to decline.
يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ويحيي الأرض بعد موتها وكذلك تخرجون.
He brings forth the living from the dead, and brings forth the dead from the living, and revives the earth after it is dead. Likewise will you be raised to life after you die.
ومن آياته أن خلقكم من تراب ثم إذا أنتم بشر تنتشرون.
And of His signs is that He created you from dust, and behold, you became human beings, and are multiplying around the earth.
ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And of His signs is that He has created mates for you from your own kind, that you may find peace in them, and He has set between you love and mercy. Surely there are signs in this for those who reflect.
ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف ألسنتكم وألوانكم إن في ذلك لآيات للعالمين.
And of His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the diversity of your tongues and colors. Indeed, there are signs in this for the wise.
ومن آياته منامكم بالليل والنهار وابتغاؤكم من فضله إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يسمعون.
And of His signs is your sleeping at night, and your seeking His bounty during the day. Indeed, there are signs in this for those who hearken.
ومن آياته يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينزل من السماء ماء فيحيي به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And of His signs is that He shows you lightning, arousing both fear and hope, and sends down water from the sky, and revives the earth after it is dead. Indeed, there are signs in this for those who use their reason.
ومن آياته أن تقوم السماء والأرض بأمره ثم إذا دعاكم دعوة من الأرض إذا أنتم تخرجون.
And of his signs is that the sky and the earth stand firm by his command. Then no sooner than he summons you out of the earth, you will come forth.
وله من في السماوات والأرض كل له قانتون.
To him belong all who are in the heavens and all who are on the earth. All are in obedience to him.
وهو الذي يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده وهو أهون عليه وله المثل الأعلى في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
It is he who creates in the first instance, and it is he who will repeat the creation, and that is easier for him. His is the loftiest attribute in the heavens and the earth. He is the most mighty, the most wise.
ضرب لكم مثلا من أنفسكم هل لكم مما ملكت أيمانكم من شركاء فيما رزقناكم فأنتم فيه سواء تخافونهم كخيفتكم أنفسكم كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يعقلون.
He sets forth for you a parable from your own lives. Do you have among your slaves some who share with you the sustenance that we have bestowed on you, so that you become equals in it, all being alike, and then you would hold them in fear as you fear each other? Thus do we make plain the signs for those who use reason.
بل اتبع الذين ظلموا أهواءهم بغير علم فمن يهدي من أضل الله وما لهم من ناصرين.
But the wrongdoers follow their desires without any knowledge. Who then can show the way to him whom Allah lets go astray? Such shall have no helpers.
فأقم وجهك للدين حنيفا فطرة الله التي فطر الناس عليها لا تبديل لخلق الله ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
O Prophet and his followers, turn your face single-mindedly to the true faith and adhere to the true nature on which Allah has created human beings. The mold fashioned by Allah cannot be altered. That is the true, straight faith, although most people do not know.
منيبين إليه واتقوه وأقيموا الصلاة ولا تكونوا من المشركين.
Adhere to the true faith and turn to Him and hold Him in awe. And establish prayer and do not be of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
من الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
Those who have split up their religion and have become divided into sects, each party exulting in what they have.
وإذا مس الناس ضر دعوا ربهم منيبين إليه ثم إذا أذاقهم منه رحمة إذا فريق منهم بربهم يشركون.
Such are human beings, that when any misfortune befalls them, they cry to their Lord, penitently turning to Him. But no sooner that He lets them have a taste of His mercy than some of them begin associating others with their Lord in His divinity.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم فتمتعوا فسوف تعلمون.
So that they may show ingratitude to us for the favors we had bestowed upon them. So enjoy yourselves a while, but then you shall soon come to know.
أم أنزلنا عليهم سلطانا فهو يتكلم بما كانوا به يشركون.
Have we sent down any sanction which provides support to their associating others with Allah in His divinity?
وَإِذَا أَذَقْنَا النَّاسَ رَحْمَةً فَرِحُوا بِهَا وَإِن تُصِبْهُمْ سَيِّئَةٌ بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ إِذَا هُمْ يَقْنَطُونَ.
When we make people have a taste of our mercy, they exult in it. And when any misfortune befalls them in consequence of their deeds, then lo, and behold, they despair.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَبْسُطُ الرِّزْقَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَيَقْدِرُ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Do they not see that Allah enlarges and straightens the sustenance of those whom He pleases? There are signs in this for those who believe.
فآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ذلك خير للذين يريدون وجه الله وأولئك هم المفلحون.
So give his due to the near of kin, and to the needy, and to the wayfarer. That is better for those who desire to please Allah. It is they who will prosper.
وَمَا آتَيْتُم مِّن رِّبًا لِّيَرْبُوَ فِي أَمْوَالِ النَّاسِ فَلَا يَرْبُو عِندَ اللَّهِ وَمَا آتَيْتُم مِّن زَكَاةٍ تُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَ اللَّهِ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُضْعِفُونَ.
Whatever you pay as interest so that it may increase the wealth of people does not increase in the sight of Allah. As for the zakah that you give, seeking with it Allah's good pleasure, that is multiplied manifold.
الله الذي خلقكم ثم رزقكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم هل من شركائكم من يفعل من ذلكم من شيء سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
It is Allah who created you, then bestowed upon you your sustenance, and He will cause you to die, and then will bring you back to life. Can any of those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity do any such thing? Glory be to Him, and exalted be He above whatever they associate with Allah in His divinity.
ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون.
Evil has become rife on the land and at sea because of men's deeds. This in order that He may cause them to have a taste of some of their deeds. Perhaps they will turn back from evil.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبل كان أكثرهم مشركين.
O Prophet, say, traverse in the earth and see what was the end of those who went before you. Most of them associated others with Allah in His divinity.
فأقم وجهك للدين القيم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله يومئذ يصدعون.
So turn your face exclusively towards the true faith, before there comes the day whose coming from Allah cannot be averted, the day when people will split into groups.
من كفر فعليه كفره ومن عمل صالحا فلأنفسهم يمهدون.
He who disbelieves will suffer the consequence of it, and he who acts righteously, they will pave the way for their own good.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من فضله إنه لا يحب الكافرين.
So that Allah may, out of His bounty, reward those who believe and act righteously. Verily, He does not love the unbelievers.
ومن آياته أن يرسل الرياح مبشرات وليذيقكم من رحمته ولتجري الفلك بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And of His signs is that He sends winds to herald good tidings, and that He may give you a taste of His mercy, and that ships may sail at His bidding, and you may seek His bounty and give thanks to Him.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فانتقمنا من الذين أجرموا وكان حقا علينا نصر المؤمنين.
We sent messengers before you to their respective nations, and they brought clear signs to them. Then we took vengeance upon those who acted wickedly. It was incumbent on us to come to the aid of the believers.
الله الذي يرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فيبسطه في السماء كيف يشاء ويجعله كسفا فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله فإذا أصاب به من يشاء من عباده إذا هم يستبشرون.
Allah sends the winds that stir up clouds, and then He spreads them in the sky as He pleases, and splits them into different fragments, whereafter you see drops of rain pouring down from them. He then causes the rain to fall on whomsoever of His servants He pleases, and lo, they rejoice at it.
وإن كانوا من قبل أن ينزل عليهم من قبله لمبلسين.
Although before that they were given to despair.
فانظر إلى آثار رحمة الله كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها إن ذلك لمحيي الموتى وهو على كل شيء قدير.
See then the tokens of Allah's mercy, how He revives the earth after it is dead. Verily, He is the one who will revive the dead. He has power over everything.
ولئن أرسلنا ريحا فرأوه مصفرا لظلوا من بعده يكفرون.
But if we were to send a wind, and then their tilth has become yellow, they would never cease to disbelieve.
فإنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
O Prophet, you cannot make the dead hear, nor can you make the deaf hear your call when they turn back and retreat.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
Nor can you guide the blind out of their error. You can make none hear your call except those who believe in our signs and have surrendered themselves to Him.
الله الذي خلقكم من ضعف ثم جعل من بعد ضعف قوة ثم جعل من بعد قوة ضعفا وشيبة يخلق ما يشاء وهو العليم القدير.
It is Allah who created you in a state of weakness. Then after weakness He gave you strength. Then after strength He made you weak and old. He creates what He pleases. He is all-knowing, all-powerful.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يقسم المجرمون ما لبثوا غير ساعة كذلك كانوا يؤفكون.
On that day when the hour will come to pass, the wicked shall swear that they had stayed in the world no more than an hour. Thus they used to be deceived in the life of the world.
وقال الذين أوتوا العلم والإيمان لقد لبثتم في كتاب الله إلى يوم البعث فهذا يوم البعث ولكنكم كنتم لا تعلمون.
But those who had been endowed with knowledge and faith shall say, according to Allah's record, you have stayed till the day of resurrection. Now, this is the day of resurrection, but you did not know.
فيومئذ لا ينفع الذين ظلموا معذرتهم ولا هم يستعتبون.
So that will be the day when the excuses of the wrongdoers will not avail them, nor will they be asked to make amends.
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَلَئِنْ جِئْتَهُمْ بِآيَةٍ لَيَقُولَنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا مُبْطِلُونَ.
In the Quran, we have explained things to people in myriad ways. But no matter what sign you bring to them, those who are resolved upon denying the truth will say, you are given to falsehood.
كذلك يطبع الله على قلوب الذين لا يعلمون.
Thus does Allah seal the hearts of those who have no knowledge.
فاصبر إن وعد الله حق ولا يستخفنك الذين لا يوقنون.
Therefore, O Prophet, have patience. Surely Allah's promise is true. Let those who lack certainty not cause you to be unsteady.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Alif Lam Mim.
Alif Lam Mim.
تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم.
These are the verses of the wise book.
هدى ورحمة للمحسنين.
A guidance and mercy for the doers of good.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Who establish prayer and pay zakah and have firm faith in the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
It is they who are on true guidance from their Lord, and it is they who shall prosper.
ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
There are some human beings who purchase an enchanting diversion in order to lead people away from the way of Allah without having any knowledge, who hold the call to the way of Allah to ridicule. A humiliating chastisement awaits them.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِ آيَاتُنَا وَلَّى مُسْتَكْبِرًا كَأَن لَّمْ يَسْمَعْهَا كَأَنَّ فِي أُذُنَيْهِ وَقْرًا فَبَشِّرْهُ بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
When our verses are recited to such a person, he arrogantly turns away as though he had not heard them, or as though there was a deafness in his ears. So announce to him the tidings of a grievous chastisement.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات النعيم.
Surely those who believe and do good deeds shall have gardens of bliss.
خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم.
They shall abide in them forever. This is Allah's promise that shall come true. He is the most powerful, the most wise.
خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم.
He created the heavens without any pillars, visible to you, and he placed mountains in the earth as pegs, lest it should turn topsy-turvy with you, and he dispersed all kinds of animals over the earth, and sent down water from the sky, causing all kinds of excellent plants to grow on it.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
Such is Allah's creation. Show me then what any others apart from Allah have created. Nay, the fact is that the wrongdoers are in manifest error.